Our children's story comes from Dakar, the capital city of Senegal. Dakar is a seaport city lying on the westernmost tip of Africa. The people of Dakar love the ocean. They use the coast for leisure, as well as a resource for food. The colorful boats and seaside market attract a lot of attention. Here, you can expect to find fresh fish all year round. This is Ruth, who lives in Dakar. Ruth is a studious child who loves to go to school. At school, she learns math, geography, history, and many important subjects. She is eager to learn it all, and she wants to become a famous international chef. For her, school is also an opportunity to interact and play with her friends. During school breaks, she and her friends like to spin on the merry-go-round. The children here are like family to her. Ruth is the only Seventh-day Adventist student at her school. Growing up, Ruth has learned important lessons from the Bible, and today, God gives her an incredible opportunity to share. As the kids play in the schoolyard, Ruth notices her friend Baka is by himself. This is unusual. He's not playing today. What might be the matter with him? As Ruth approaches Baka, she finds out that he did not have any food to bring to school today. Ruth isn't wealthy either, and the lunch she brought is small. But she decides to share. No words spoken, no quote from the Bible, no sermon preached. Ruth's gesture brings contentment to the heart. This has been a special day for Ruth. She will never forget the taste of this half meal. This quarter, your 13th Sabbath offering will provide books for children like Ruth in their own language. The children at Adventist School of Claire-Solille will benefit by having a library filled with books to read. As you can see, this is their entire library. Please pray for the children of Dakar and share Jesus like Ruth did. You will be glad you did.